All right, boys and girls, we are back to do the first problem on our problem set together. So let's read number 1. It says, Robin saw 5 apples in a bag and 10 apples in a bowl. Draw a picture to show how many apples there are. Okay, so let's go into our problem and let's draw that to help us solve our problem. Robin saw 5 apples in a bag. Let's draw those 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it says, and 10 apples in a bowl. So let's draw the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those were in a bowl. And the 5 were in a bag. Okay, so here's our 5 in our bag, 10 in our bowl. It says, now let's move on to, it says draw a picture to show how many, how many apples there are. So we drew our picture, nice and neat. Let's move on to step 2. Write a number bond and an addition sentence to match your picture. Okay, so let's talk about what we knew. We knew that 5 were in a bag and 10 apples were in a bowl. That's right. So we knew our parts, and that gave us, when we put our 10 and our 5 together, we know that we have 15 apples. Miss Lakia is going to write 15 at the top of my number bond. How did I have that 15? Yes, the problem told me my parts. It said 5 were in a bag, 10 were in a bowl. Now I'm going to write a addition sentence for my problem. Let's go back into our problem. What did we know first? Did we know our parts or did we know our whole? That's right, we knew our parts. We had to draw the picture to show our parts to figure out our whole. So when Miss Lakia writes my addition sentence, I'm going to start with my parts first. I'm going to write 5, because that's the first number I knew, plus 10, because that's the second number I knew, equals 15. Now, Miss Lakia is going to try that again, and I'm going to try to write a little bit smaller to fit that on those lines. 5 plus 10 equals 15. It's a little tricky for me with this pen, but I want you to try to write your numbers on those lines. Part plus part equals whole. That's right, we composed our numbers in this problem. We put our parts, we put our 10 ones and our other ones together to equal our whole, to equal our teen number. Now, Miss Lakia is going to let you work on problems, the rest of your problem set, with a mommy and a daddy. You're going to be drawing pictures, you're going to be writing your number bonds, and writing an addition sentence that matches your picture and problem. Thank you for all your hard work today. I'll see you tomorrow for math.